How to fix Instagram video selfie verification not working. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go to the App Store and check if Instagram is updated. For that, go to the search bar and search for Instagram app. Then, if the blue button right here says update, you have to update it. And if it says open, then you have the updated version. Next that you can do is, you want to go to the settings, scroll down and tap on general. Tap on iPhone storage. Then, after it is loaded, you want to search for Instagram and tap on it. Then, go ahead and offload the app. After offloading, you want to go ahead and reinstall it. Or if it doesn't work, you can delete the app. For that, you can long press the app icon, then tap on remove app. Tap on delete app. After deleting, you can reinstall it from App Store. So that is how you can fix video selfie verification not working. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.